Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? What a great day to be alive. You are watching me without makeup, and today we are going to review this Mars Blossom Concealer in the shade Warm Sand. And to know the tea, if I like this product or not, you have to see the full video because yeah, I have a lot to say. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. If you want to try this out for yourself, I will link it in the description box for you to check out. Do check that out. Okay, yes, so don't judge my hairstyle. I have braids because मुझे mermaid वाला look करना है, which you of course saw in the starting. Yeah, so that is why मैं braids करके बैठी हूँ. Now I have done color correction, okay, and I have applied foundation. Now मुझे Kiro Beauty से ये foundation का एक छोटा सा jar free मिला था because I bought some lipsticks from Kiro Beauty. So I thought let's try this. And first of all, can you look at the dewiness? Now this is a good foundation. Like not the best in terms of coverage, but the finish is good. Like this foundation is actually looking very skin-like, but really nice, like your skin but better situation. I really like it. So let's get in with the review of this concealer. So this is the Mars Blossom Concealer, and I got number shade Warm Sand. And first of all, we'll start off with the very first thing, that is the shade range. So this is number 3, Warm Sand. Definitely it is warm, but number 3 Warm Sand is this shade. This is very light. This is absolutely horrendously white. Okay, I have done color correction but I haven't applied any other color concealer, right? And ये foundation थोड़ी सी मेरी skin tone के हिसाब से warm है, तो मुझे लगता है ये light concealer will work for me today. So let us start. Okay, now I personally like to go in with a concealer which is my shade, and then I would like to go with a concealer that would be lighter than my skin tone. But since we are reviewing this today, इसी के साथ ही काम चलाएंगे. See, it is very light. Literally very light. So this is my issue with so many Indian brands. Like आपका number 3, like आपके पास सिर्फ 5 या 6 shades हैं, जिसमें से number 3 is so white, almost like it is very light for people like me, right? जो अभी भी fair skin tone की category में ही आते हैं, you know, that have lighter skin tones. अगर उनके लिए ये concealers इतने light हैं, you know, number 3 का shade, 6 में से तीसरा शेड एक लाइट स्किन टोन के बंदे के लिए इतना लाइट है, तो जो लोग थोड़े से डार्क स्किन टोन के लिए के हैं उनको क्या मिलेगा? कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा, राइट? एंड दैट इज माय प्रॉब्लम विद सो मेनी ऑफ दीज ब्रांड्स, लाइक बी इट स्विस ब्यूटी, बी इट मार्स, एवरीवन, राइट? Everybody just wants lighter shades. Okay, so I can wait a second. Is there I didn't see much coverage honestly, like इधर नहीं दिखा मुझको. Definitely brush के साथ it is doing so much better, building up better, but with blender it was giving literally nothing. But I think the true test would be on the eyes. मैंने ऊपर नहीं किया because मैं usually eyeshadow base use करती हूँ ऊपर eyelids पे, right? So yeah, I think let's just blend. गिर गया है वो concealer. Let's just start blending this. Now इसके undertones are yellow, which are my undertones, and I think in terms of undertones I do believe that this is going to be a good shade. I think अगर आपका shade थोड़ा सा light भी है ना, अगर उसके undertones ठीक है ना, तो वो फिर भी आप मैनेज कर सकते हो. बट अगर अंडरटोन्स ऑफ होना तो फिर बहुत मुश्किल हो जाती है. एंड आई डू फील कि लोगों को ना इसमें अपना शेड ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल होने वाला है. कैन यू सी, लाइक इट डिड नॉट, oh my god, no, it did not do much. I gave it a minute to settle down. On this eye it still looks a little bit more in coverage, but it isn't very full coverage from concealer. No, I definitely don't see a lot of coverage. Like the color is way off, and it did not do anything at all. I will go in with a concealer of my shade, which is this Inside Concealer. I don't want my dark circles to peek through like this. पहले मैं इसको अप्लाई करके थोड़ा कलर करेक्ट कर लेती हूँ और ज़्यादा, and then I'll apply this Mars concealer again to see अगर ये टॉप पे कुछ करता है या नहीं. Okay, hi guys. So I had to take all my makeup off because it is so hot. मुझसे literally हो ही नहीं रहा था कि मैं यहाँ full face of makeup में बैठ के shoot करूँ. So I quickly did all the makeup tutorial and whatnot, and I am here without any makeup at this point, just to talk about the very final verdict of the whole concealer, right? So I will show you the video, right? This is how my whole makeup looks, right? And honestly speaking, this concealer ain't it. Like I've heard literally very good reviews about this concealer. It is a lightweight concealer that gives you medium to full coverage. No, I don't think so. It is a very light coverage concealer. It did not give medium to full coverage. The coverage was really low. I can't tell if it is because the color was so off for me. It was really light for me. इसलिए शायद ये अच्छा नहीं लगा, or maybe the coverage isn't good. But I am not impressed. Like, see, मुझे मार्स के प्रोडक्ट्स एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. I've tried so many products from Mars, and this is the first time I'm very disappointed with a Mars product because it just literally gave me nothing at all. So no, from my end this is not the concealer. Like अगर आपके बहुत कम problem areas हैं, maybe then you can try this out. But for somebody like me who has so much dark circles and all the acne and spots and whatnot on the face, this is not meant for you. So yeah. From my end, this is not it. Like, you can totally skip this. Yeah. So yes guys, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video guys. Bye bye.